My friend, if you're looking for a review of the video PLR lead magnet, 5 different ways to make money online by Robert Bolger, I got it coming up for you right now. Hello, my friend. My name is Danny Forts here with the rejection-free formula, no calling, no chasing, no convincing, and with PowerSwitchProfits.com. So normally I don't buy a lot of PLR for a lot of different reasons, but since I do video, I was kind of interested in checking this one out, and this one will not disappoint. There is some pros, there is some cons, and I'll go through that in this actual review. But let me just start off with first, what is PLR? PLR stands for private label rights, and basically you get to purchase done-for-you content that you can pretty much use. Now, some of the PLR rights change. They have a list of like the PLR rights as I go down this page here. Try to find them for you really quick. But yeah, here you go. Here's the regular PLR license, but then it comes with master resell rights, and then and with the master resell rights, you're basically able to do a lot of different other things. You can use them in your membership sites, which I tend to have. You can repackage them, you can label them as your own, you can edit the content. There's so many different things that you can do with this PLR. You can actually sell as a done-for-you product. Now, you can't use this to resell as PLR, but you can pretty much do almost anything else with it for the most part. But there is a PLR license file inside the product that you can go through and check out that info. So that's number one. The fact that you can have a lot of done-for-you content. You don't got to make the graphics, you don't have to make the content, you don't have to make the slides, you don't have to find the images. There's lots of pros to actually using PLR. Now, let me talk about the things I like and don't like. So I love the fact that it's pretty much done for you. Sales page is nice, all the graphics are nice. I mean, you can pretty much see what you're getting here. In this package, you're basically getting 5 different ways to earn money online, and basically that's the content you're giving out. Now, where they've gone a little extra is, instead of just giving you, let's say, the slides and the videos, etc., they've also given you the transcript. So if you want to edit out what's on the video and then you want to overlay it with your own voice, so you could literally slice and dice up what you want, what you don't want, but you still have the transcript, which is really great, because then you could literally copy it word for word, or say it word for word, or even edit it and put your own sort of personality on that content. So that's number one. Now, with the 5 ways of making money online, you're going to see down here, this was the video content that came with it. So make money by blogging, make money with YouTube, make money reselling services, make money with drop shipping, and make money with Quora. But let's say you're not even interested in these 3, okay, at the bottom. Let's say you're only interested in make money by blogging and make money with YouTube. Well, you can change this from 5 ways to make money online to 2 ways to make money online, and still just basically edit the content, because they give you the files that you can actually edit this stuff. If you have a different program that you can make ebook covers with, you can just basically change it and maybe even take off this fingerprint and put your own graphic and your own branding. So you could do a lot with PLR, and I don't know why I don't buy more of it, because a lot of the PLR out there is kind of crappy, or it's like it's too much to be able to edit, etc. And I went through some of the videos already. And I really like what came with this package. There's a lot with the package. So let me just roll through and show you some other stuff that you get in here. This was the example of the PLR video for YouTube, and you can see the example there. It comes with the raw audio files as well, so if you want to be able to, again, re-record that content and just have it as audios for lead magnets, etc., you can do that as well. The word-for-word transcripts that I already mentioned, the high converting squeeze page with the thank you page. This is one thing I gotta say I didn't like about this product. It didn't come with the videos to show you how to edit this stuff. Now, fact of the matter is, I know how to create and recreate these kind of pages by myself anyway, so I don't necessarily need it. I can just copy and paste the content and put it in my own page builder. But for newbies, It probably would have been nice if they showed them how to use this and how to be able to edit it or how to upload it in the cPanel, because with the HTML files, that's pretty much what you have to do. And so I didn't see any videos that actually showed you how to do that and then where to plug in your actual autoresponder for this stuff. I'm not saying that I don't know how to do it, because I do. I'm just saying for the newbie who doesn't really know how to use this, it might be a little bit of a challenge putting this stuff together. Now, if you purchase this stuff through my link and you use the page builder I use, then that's simple. It's pretty much I can export the page. You can upload it and pretty much click and edit the page and edit it up the way you want without having to do all the extra stuff that you have to do with HTML files in this case. It does come with an email follow-up sequence. So again, if you wind up using the whole entire PLR package, then that's great. You have 5 emails to follow up with. But if you only use 1 or 2, you could just use the 1 or 2, and then that's pretty much it. One of the things I think you can do with this also is break it up into 5 different lead magnets. So if you do have some graphic skills, this is something that you could stretch out over time and combine with different offers. And the way you would do that is down here with these video streaming mini sites. Again, these are pages where, hey, you can have the training on the thank you page, but then have a related offer below. So there's a lot of flexibility that you get with using this whole PLR pack and with PLR just in general. And so that's why I'm loving this offer. It's great for the price. It's literally $9. I think it's $9.97. You get all the extra files and all the other good stuff. They even give you a keyword list of stuff that you can rank on YouTube, etc., or that you want to either make blog content for or what have you. So there's just a lot that goes with this actual package. So let me just show you really quick I know this isn't much, but this is what the members area looks like. It's just a bunch of downloads, and you get all the downloads here. I'm not going to hover on any of those buttons because then you'll see the link. But pretty much, this is pretty much what you get. And then let me just go over to my files over here and just show you what it looked like, because I was in here. I've already unzipped all these files here, as you can see, but this is pretty much how it comes. Let me go modules 3 through 9, and you can see, for instance, it's got the transcripts, the squeeze page, the autoresponder messages, the streaming mini site, the graphics pack, keyword list, and license pack there. So let me just go in here, graphics pack, just to show you really quick. These are for the flat designs. These are the covers. I can show you this real quick because this is no biggie. So they give you all the individual pieces that you can use in this PLR pack, which is pretty awesome. And let me go here and show you basically the licenses so you can understand a little more. It tells you exactly what you can do with your PLR rights. And so, for the master resale rights, here's everything that you can do, and here's everything you cannot do. And that's pretty much it. So you can see all that. And so you can go through all the individual licenses here, but he threw it in as a way that you can, so if you're selling this and you're selling it as, let's say you're just selling it with the master resale rights, then you would include the master resale rights package inside that package that you sold. And so, but again, go through the rights, know how to use them, but you get so much flexibility with this package. There are upsells. The one upsell is a $29 one, and then they give you 3 other extra PLR packs. I'm not going to get into those because with the upsell, there were other PLR packs. I know with the first upsell, it was $29, and you got 3 extra PLR packs just like this. One had to do with list building, one had to do with being a super affiliate, and then the other had to do with marketing your business with online video. So that's the whole second package. I didn't even bother looking at the third upsell because I pretty much got this offer for the front end. But I was this close to purchasing the upsell, but the challenge was I don't use a lot of PLR as it is, and so I want to make sure that whatever I purchase I'm going to actually use and not get overwhelmed and all that other stuff. So that's it. That's my review on this particular package here. Again, this is the PLR Video Lead Magnet by Robert Bolger. I think I'm saying his name right, but if I'm not, I apologize. It's the 5 different ways to make money online. And I will have a bonus available, so when you do pick up this package with my link that should be right below in the description or the button that's on this page, I'm going to give you a bunch of bonuses. Wait for me to do another video or a second video so I can get those bonuses in order. I just wanted to make sure that I promoted this to my list and to my peeps at the same time, and then I get to also use that keyword list to be able to make more videos using the same basic content. So with that said, my name is Danny Force with the Rejection-Free Formula: no calling, no chasing, no convincing, and with PowerSearchProfits.com. Take care, have a fantastic day, and always God bless. Bye for now.